Hello everyone, today we're gonna do an experiment with just 3 things, guys. First is a vinegar. We need a white vinegar. Then we need a bowl or anything you want to use it. Then we need, of course, baking soda. And so what we're gonna do into this video is we are gonna mix them up. It's gonna be explosion on these things. So we have 1, 2, 3, just 3 things we need, and then we'll get ready with the thing. So first thing we have to do is, of course, add some vinegar to it. So let me just add some vinegar. Let me take the vinegar bottle and let me add some vinegar to it. I'm just gonna add a little bit vinegar. That's really less, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work. So we are ready with the vinegar. I can smell the vinegar, and now we have the baking soda, the main explosive for us, which is gonna explode. So guys, so let's get started. So guys, we're finally ready, and now we have we have the baking soda now ready in our hands. Just open it. Let's just add. Wait, let me add it here first, like little bit. I think that's too much. Oh guys, I can hear the noise in it. So guys, I'll show you right here. If you add little bit of it, it just reacts like in it, and it just shows like some sound like that. Yeah guys, so it's like from here I'm really like feeling the. So guys, see the baking one. Now let me just add some to it. Wait guys, I'm really just not ready to do anything. Guys, let me just bring in front of the camera. See guys, it reacts and it makes some weird noises. Oh my god guys, you can see that. So guys, it's like an experiment. That's just the baking soda making some funny reactions with it, like just inside it. I want to touch it. So guys, it doesn't react on my finger, but it does actually really react with it. And so it's like this, and now as you can see, but if you add even more like baking soda to it, it will react. So let me just get the baking soda. Yeah guys, baking soda is here, and let me just add some of this to the cap, little now, because we have used a lot. Yeah, maybe this much. So guys, we're gonna add this together at one time. Oh shit guys, it's like making gases and all. See guys, experiment. So it's like this, and the reaction just stops with this. So only this is for the video. See you in the next video guys. Till then, goodbye and like my videos.